Hi, welcome to Mila's show. If you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be unboxing the squishies. They come in an egg carton, but this is not a real egg carton. People said it's a real egg carton because it looks like the shape of an egg carton. So we're gonna be unboxing the new squishies, or you can say mochis. That's fine too. We're just gonna unbox one. We're not gonna unbox the whole thing because I don't feel like I like to do that. So I'm just gonna unbox 3 and then I'll save it for another day and I'll come back with this. So I just got that. So I'm gonna open the egg carton. Over here. So here is 4 colored eggs. There's white. It's not pink, guys. This is purple, yellow, and blue. So I'm gonna unbox 3 eggs, and then we're gonna get started on it. Okay, I'm gonna choose this purple one. Those are like sensory toys, like fidgets. So I thought this would be the perfect gift for me that I just found at Dollar Tree. And look what I just found. Aw, it's a dog with blue ears. He's so cute. He has a heart. Oh, what is that? Get it out of here. So this is our dog. Has blue ears, a heart eye over here, and he has a tongue sticking out. On to our next one. Open up this white one. Let's see what we got. Wow. It's like a dinosaur. He's so cute. His head even jiggles. Time for our last egg. Look at this. This one's unique because it's like a bumblebee donut and you can put your hole in it. It's like a finger puppet. This one is very cute. Probably one of my favorite ones I unboxed. So this is the bumblebee donut. He has black antennas, black stripes, and a cute little smile and tiny little wings. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe and comment down below if we can make more unboxing videos. Bye.